Hey guys, first of all, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you down to understanding how to predict price action. Now, I talked about the first video on how to predict price action when market was bullish, returning back to what bearish scenario. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to trade when market is actually bearish and it's about for turning bullish, how to identify what is happening, what price is doing. Now, a lot of folks like to use different indicators like trend lines, moving average, crossovers, and all of those indicators. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to read a chart. If you are commenting to my video, you'll notice that I like my chart being plain. The only thing I like using mostly is the trend line and sometimes Fibonacci, depending on what the price is doing. But these are just the major two rules, two indicators that I like to use in the market. Just like every other profession, Forex has its own indicators because an electrician needs a screwdriver and all of other sorts to get his work done, while a forest trader needs some of the tools, but these tools are not provided by you. The market actually provides them, so you cannot use all the tools in trading. You only use what is good with you. Like for me, like I said, I love to read price, okay, and use my trend line in seeing what market is what doing. Now, if this is something that interests you, we'd like you to leave a comment below and also subscribe to our channel as a way of supporting us, okay? So moving down to understanding what prices do, I'm going to be showing you three ways to identify what when the market wants to reverse, how to predict price action, and know when the market wants to turn from bearish to bullish. Okay, now as you can see here, we can see the trend line here. Price has actually been respecting this trend line. Now I drew this from the higher time frame. It's the 4 hours. Okay, it's the 4 hours time frame. Okay, understanding what price has been doing. Price has been touching these trend lines. Now there's something else you'll notice here. This was the last one that touched the trend line, and all of a sudden price came back down. Now I mentioned something. The first thing you will notice here is the candles are becoming small as price is coming to what, to the downside. Candles are becoming small. The bearish candle were actually big at the zones, but immediately price started approaching the area of reversal, you notice that the candles were becoming small. A lot of wicks and rejections of the candles have been happening here. So what you notice is price about what, coming to what, a point of a closure where the market is about to what, reverse. So all that you see happening here is an indication that price might turn what, to the other side. Okay, the momentum are no longer there, the pressure, the selling pressure is no longer there, so price is bound to what, retrace and turn what, to the upside. So what did we see? The first one is the candles are becoming what, small. Now what's the next thing we're going to be looking at? An observation. Now this was the last order block. I like to use order block in predicting, and not of you that are watching my video for the first time, an order block is an order where buying orders are pending. Okay, a lot of folks that, let's say for example, I enter the trade here, my stop loss will be here. Okay, this is an order block. Another folks might enter here, his stop loss will be here. Okay, it's equal and other blocks. So now, why there are some traders that are actually waiting for a breakout, in the sense that they get their entry somewhere here and they put their stop loss here, that if the market should do something like this, they will be buying to the upside. Let me do something like this. Okay, so they put their pending orders, their stop loss is here and their pending orders somewhere here, that if the market should come down here and go up, their stop loss will be here. Okay, these are breakout traders. The market has not gotten to this zone, they just come and put their what, their pending orders here. This is for, sorry, buy limit, for example. Why they are breakout traders that does something like this. So they see this as a resistance and they put their entry here and their stop loss here, expecting the market to do something like this and move to the upside. Okay, now for the sake of this video, we are going to be talking about understanding when the market wants to reverse. Okay, let's focus on that. Now this is another one here. I like to look other blocks. So this is another block, this is another block. Now this was the last order block here that moved us to the downside. How do we know when the market want to change character or change movement from bearish to bullish? One of the things you do is that it will break the order block that took price to the last order block. This is the last order block. Let's identify order blocks. Order block, order block, order block, order block. Okay, these are significant one. What happened? What did we see happen here? This was the last one. What did price do? It broke above it. Now this is the first indication telling you that, hey, if you have been selling, it's time for you to exit your trade. The market always tells us when to get out. It's just that we are stubborn enough to say, hey, I'm not leaving, I want more profit. That's when you get it all wrong and you get stopped out. But if you are a trader and you are a disciplined trader, if the market should give you something like this and you were in this trade selling, of course this is an indication telling you that you should get out of the trade. You just pull out. Okay, that's the way to stay safe. So the market came here. The first thing we saw was that the candles were bullish. Now let me open your eyes a little bit. Notice that the momentum of this bullish candle that broke out this, that led to the change of character and the break of structure, was actually they were actually strong. They were actually strong. They were no longer weak. Okay, look at these candles here. The bullish candles, which is the green candles, they are actually small, but now they are actually what? Big. This should tell you that buyers are what? About to take over. So the first indication what is to get out of the trade. Okay, now the next one is this. I mentioned the first one, the candles are becoming small. The second one is that you see that you break and the market will come to the next order block. Okay, the next order block, remember I said this is another block, this is another block. So this was the last candle that took price to the downside. I measured that in my previous video. This is a little bit advanced, looking at institutional candles. Okay, if you want to know more about it, I'll leave it in the bio below. You can get it in the comment section. Also, you can get it in the description how to identify institutional water candles. I think I created a course about that some time ago. It tells you where price will be coming to, for you to place your entry. So what can we see? We see candles become small and we see break of structure and price come back. If it had broken below here to the downside, then we would have said, oh, we are still bearish. Perhaps we are still bearish momentarily before looking for reversal, but in this case price came to this other block. Take this out to this other block here, and this is our entry. This is our entry here to take price to the upside. Okay, I think that will be all for this video. If you gain any value from it, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment in the section below. Okay, so we have good entry here to take price to the upside.